Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar. I am taking electrical machine design for the 7th semester electrical engineering student. Under the previous lectures, we are discussing about the various parameters which are associated for the electrical machine design related to the materials, which material we are opting over there. Now we are focusing on the rating of machine. Under this, there will be the classes of the motor duty. Duty cycle of a motor, it will be a relation between the active or operating time and the inactive resting time of an equipment or a machine. So the duty cycle of a motor is the most important parameter which will decide about the operation and the non-operational time of the motor. In other words, it is expressed as the ratio of active time or to the total time period of a machine. Electric motor, for example, are rated on the basis of continuous duty, non-stop operation lasting an hour or more, or intermittent duty, alternate period of rest and operation lasting 5, 10, 5, 30, or 60 minutes. So duty cycle will be a relation between the active or operating time period or on time with respect to the total time period on time plus off time. Types of motor duties are there. There will be different types of motor duties are available to operate, and it will be around 8 categories as follows for the machine's operation. First is the continuous duty. Second one is the short time duty. Third one is the intermittent periodic duty. Fourth one is the intermittent periodic duty with starting. Next is the intermittent periodic duty with starting and breaking. Continuous duty with intermittent periodic loading. Continuous duty with starting and breaking. Continuous duty with periodic heat changes. Now we will start about the continuous duty operation. It denotes the motor operation at constant load torque for long duration of time. As per the diagram, we indicated that there is a constant load are maintained and the temperature versus time capacity we are forming that it will be varying from this to this. Either the load will be the given as a constant parameter. As a result, the temperature of motor reaches steady state value. This duty is characterized by a constant motor load. Here N indicates the duration of the operation. Theta max indicates maximum temperature rise, and duty cycle will be the N upon N, means it will be operation and the non-operation zone will be the equal. So the ratio of also the duty cycle of this type of machine will be equal to 1. There will be some example are associated with this type of motor is the compressors, fans, centrifugal pumps, paper mill drivers, and the conveyors. And these are the sample of the machines which will be reflected over here. That there is a different types of machines are there. There will be one will be the compressor. There is a motor, and this will be the compressor part is there. There another one is the centrifugal pump. Motor is connected over the right hand side, and the compressing part will be placed at the left hand side. And this one will be the centrifugal pumps of paper mills are there, where the pressure side, the paper pressure side will be indicated by the arrow. Suction side is this one, and the pressure will be moving upward side. So this type of operation will be there. There is a downstream pipeline, drive side flank, volume chamber, impeller are there, then upstream pipeline. Next will be the short time duty cycle. This denotes the operation at constant load during a given time, followed by a rest of sufficient duration. In this, time of drive operation is considerably less than the heating time constant, and machine is allowed to cool off to ambient temperature before the motor is required to operate again. As per the diagram, we are finding that the load will be placed at an external to the machine. So the operation of this one will be indicated by the N. Indicated by the N, and the curve will be placed on the temperature versus time, where N indicates the duration of the operation, R indicates the period of rest, and duty cycle is the N upon N plus R. These are the some examples of this type of motor. First is the domestic appliances like the mixer grinder, battery charging units, and the third one is the knock gates, fourth is the bridges, fifth one is the sliding electric doors. So this will be the structure of where you are finding that there is a domestic mixer structure is given over here. One will be the battery charging units, and another is the gate lock gates units or the sliding electric doors units are there as an example of this type of machine. And this will be the end of the lectures which are associated with the different types of rating machines are there. And this lecture will be continued with the different new machines which will be associated with the electrical engineering in under the category of the special type of machine. Thank you.